So to check to see which of these work, all you have to do is take the two shorter sides, add them together, and see if it's bigger than the third side. So right here we have 3 and 4, so 3 plus 4 equals 7. It is not bigger, so that one will not work. On the second one here, we have 7 and 6 as our two shorter sides. 7 plus 6 equals 13. So that one works. So we can definitely say 2 is one that works. On this one, we have 5 and 11. 5 plus 11 equals 16. That's bigger than 13, so 3 works. And then on this one, we have 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 10 is not bigger than 12, so that one does not work. And finally, we have 4 plus 6 again. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 10 is not bigger than 10, so that does not work either. So our only two answers here are 2 and 3.